Visit the municipality of Barbosa, Antioquia. This beautiful municipality should be visited during a holiday that is from Saturday morning to afternoon. Day 1. Tourists have ticket of 8 at the Nikia metro station. We arrived at the municipality around 9 a.m. to have breakfast, a traditional paisa here to the Terper Pond. At 10 a.m. we moved to Morro y Virgin to view 20 room. At 2 p.m. we go down to have lunch, a traditional paisa train. At 3 p.m. we tour to the Morro of the Virgin. To the 3 o'clock they moved to the town to give a general tour. Dinner is street food. Day 2. After Butzart, we headed to the popular area of Los Charcos. It has a spectacular ravine, green areas, and typical food. Agreed to spend day. At night you have a rumba option. Day 3. We went to the top of Matasanos to see Kiki's beans and paradigm. The atmosphere is very good and you can enjoy different types of food. We returned to an IKEA of 6 p.m. The total cost of the tour package is 500,000, including travel, accommodation and full meals. Thank you.